Hello, and thank you for joining us today with the Equita Final Expense Services and the Equita Group for a quick tutorial on EFES University and the EFES Lead Center. First, let's get started and show you a little bit about EFES University. To get to EFES University, you're going to want to go to www.efesonline.com. The web address here is highlighted. Once you navigate to this website, you'll see this screen here that I have up in front of you. You'll see a tab that says EFES University. Once you click on EFES University, a login screen should show up. Once you log in, you'll enter your username and password, and it'll bring this screen here up in front of you. As you can see, you have 4 tabs to choose from. The first tab is going to be your audio training. The second tab is going to be your new agent training. The third being video lessons, and the fourth being an income calculator. We'll get back to that in just a moment. Let's start with the audio training. We call this portion of EFES University the Audio Vault. We hold multiple conference calls on a weekly basis, and we record each one of them. On these calls, we go over a wide array of topics, whether it be the presentation, in-home fact-finding, door knocking, appointment setting, or just overall how to get better at what you do day in, day out. If you're looking for a particular topic, you're able to use the search function here. As an example, let's say that you'd like to learn more about door knocking. As you can see, when you type in the search box, door knocking, we have one of our EFES Fast Track calls that goes over door knocking and appointment setting. You'll be able to see the date that the audio was created, and you'll be able to revisit back to this at a later date at any time. The EFES Audio Vault and EFES University overall is very unique and helpful in regards to you, the producer, being able to access it 24 hours a day. It doesn't matter if the office is open or if there's a holiday, you're able to get in, as I mentioned before, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Let's go back to the front of the page now of EFES University and take a look at the video lessons. Similar template, similar layout of the audio, but you're on the video portion now. So when you click on one of the videos, you'll see the actual video load. You hit play and you're off you are. One unique and actually awesome portion of EFES University is the income calculator. The income calculator will allow you to be able to see how you're able to raise your income, both not only in final expense, but also by incorporating Medicare sales. We have a national trainer by the name of Peter Walker, who is a Medicare specialist. His goal is to help each and every producer that works with EFES become a Medicare specialist. It's a market that goes hand in hand with final expense, and the beautiful part is that you don't have to spend any additional money on your marketing, as your leads for final expense are also the same type of clientele you'll want to visit with for Medicare. This income calculator allows you to plug away and do calculations and run an analysis on how high you'd like your income to go. Get more familiar with this tool, and you'll be able to gauge and zero in the income that you'd like to see. That is EFES University in a nutshell. Let's jump over real quick and teach you a little bit about the EFES Lead Center. You'll know you're in the right place when you log into the EFES Lead Center, and the first thing you see is the EFES Leaderboard. As we do this call right now, it's the beginning of the new year of 2018, so the leaderboard has not yet updated. By tomorrow, you'll see this leaderboard filled with additional names of producers doing what they do day in, day out. But let's get started and show you some of the ins and outs of the Lead Center. First, one unique and awesome portion of the Lead Center is going to be your own personalized lead account. Each lead as they come in is going to be kept and stored here for you on a daily basis so that you're able to revert back to them at a later date in case you want to go back and work a specific area. To show you a little bit more detail about the lead center, let's take a look at what the lead actually looks like. When you click on the actual name of the lead, you'll see the lead piece itself pull up. The handwriting of the client, where they fill out their name, phone number, age, spouse's name and age. And you're able to print this page here and take it to the client in case you're a door knocker or you'd like to have something to present to them at the appointment when you visit. Now, as you can see here, we have the logo of EFES, along with proudly serving seniors in your state since 1987. This will print when you actually print the lead. And it's nice because it goes hand in hand with the ID badge and the business cards that we provide through the Equita store. You're also able to keep notes in the comment box in the lead center. You're able to see the date that the leads were assigned to you. You're also able to see the geography that the leads are located in. So if you'd like to sort by city, state, and zip code, you can do so here up in the top portion of your lead box. One simple and easy way to be able to print your leads each week is to be able, instead of selecting every checkbox, you're able to hit check, uncheck, select. And then when you go to print selected leads, all of your leads will be there for you to be able to print in one fell swoop. This will help save time so you're not having to check individual boxes and print individual pages. You can see here on the screen, they're all here for you. So, as we go back, and we want to now take a look at and show you some reports. And the reporting functions in the website are quite awesome as well. I'm going to use David Lloyd, who was the #2 producer in the year of 2017 with EFES, and show you some sales statistics and analytics that'll help you improve your business. So what we'll want to do is to run the lead production report, you're going to want to use the 90-day date range here at the bottom to be able to look at your business within the last 90 days. So when you use that date range, and you hit go, let me get the correct date range here. You'll see all of the sales analytics and metrics that you're looking for that are important pull up. As you can see, the system is out of date here, talking about lead cost and tele-lead cost. But the important sales analytics to pay attention to are, number one, the amount of leads you've received in that time period. The close category is the amount of sales that you've made. Under ratio, as you can guess, that's your closing ratio. It's also showing you the date that you received your last lead and what your premium per lead is for the past 90 days as well as 30 days. These two columns are important to pay attention to for a couple of reasons. Number one, your premium per lead for the past 90 days shows you currently where you're at in terms of your sales conversions. Just to back up a moment, premium per lead is an efficiency tracker. So the way it's calculated, just to kind of break it down, is it's your total submitted premium within that time period multiplied by an 80% placement and then divided by the amount of leads you've received during that time period. That number you always want to be over $100 or $100 or better. A great part of this report is the 30-day PPL, which is going to show you where you're trending. If you have a PPL over $100 for 90 days, but you see your PPL drop down to 50, 60, 70, you'll notice that there's a decline. You're able to diagnose a trend. Did I get out and door knock enough? Did I set enough appointments? Was I active enough? There's a lot to be told by using this report to take a look at your 90-day and 30-day PPL. The total submitted business is also posted here for you. Using this report will help you evaluate your sales statistics and analytics so that you're able to make the proper adjustments down the road. Let's take a look at the shopping cart next. The EFES shopping cart is a fantastic tool for you to be able to buy leads immediately without any delay, without any slowdown on your end. It's open 24 hours a day, similar to EFES University. So if it's a weekend, a holiday, as I mentioned before, you're able to jump in, make a purchase right then and there. The leads are also distributed into your lead account immediately following your purchase. Here's an example. If I select the Platinum bonus leads, there are 42 available in Allen County, Indiana. I check the box. I'm ready to take the next step. And you'll see when I hit View Leads in Selected Counties tab, it's going to bring up all of the leads that are available in that particular county. One neat thing about this part of the website with the shopping cart is that you're able to actually sort the leads by zip code. All you have to do is take your mouse, go to the word zip, and click on it. You'll see now that all of the leads are sorted by zip code. This particularly helps you when you're working or pulling leads from an area that is a highly populated, high lead count area currently in the system. It helps you to condense down the area and work a more centralized location. So let's take a look real quick. When we add leads to selected cart, you'll see that I have 5 leads in my shopping cart. I'm ready to make my purchase and I'm ready to check out. So I'm going to click on View Cart and check out. Everything looks good to me here. The price is accurate. It shows me my total. It shows me the tax. We also have promotions that we run from time to time where we're able to give you additional discounts on leads through the shopping cart. If you see an email or a text message come from our marketing department, save that code and use it as they do expire after a certain time frame. We're ready to check out. So when you're ready to check out, it's going to take you to the next screen where you're going to enter your credit card information, the expiration date, and the card code. You want to make sure that all of your information here is correct, as it will not let you proceed with the purchase if it is not. I'm going to enter in the security code here so that the computer knows that I'm not a robot, and I click Pay Now. Once I click Pay Now, from that point forward, I immediately will have the leads distributed into my box, and I'll be able to start printing and working them. That is the EFES Lead Center. There's quite a bit of other additional functionality in the Lead Center, and we're constantly looking to improve it. One other item I'll throw out there to you real quick to look at is we have an all-time leaderboard where we give recognition to our agency builders as well as our top producers all time. When you look at the columns, you can see here that we have streaks that go on a weekly and monthly basis. We also have top month-to-date agency leaders, top producers for the year, and we also have top agency leaders year-to-date. The leaderboard is a great tool to motivate yourself as you see others putting numbers up you want to keep up. So I hope to see you soon on the leaderboard. And if you ever have any questions or you'd like to do a one-on-one and learn a little bit more about the Lead Center or EFES University, please feel free to give us a call, 1-800-765-0711. My name is Chase, and I appreciate you joining us today.